Morning. I wanted to share a little bit with you. I've always loved close-up magic from when I was very young. I learned how to make a bird appear out of nowhere. So, let's start with that. Okay, my hands are empty, right? Yeah, pretty awesome bird. Fly away, bird. All right, now, that's nonsense. But now it's time for the real stuff. I am going to make this normal can of tomato paste, travel interdimensionally. It's gonna go through this quarter, right? This is a normal US quarter, okay? Okay, so let's do this. This is a normal dish towel that we use at our house all the time. And, why don't you go ahead and say a magic word? I'm assuming you're saying one. All right, let's do this. Oh, silly me. It's supposed to be heads up. I had it tails up. So let's try again. Say that magic word again. Where'd it go? All right, now I'm gonna make this quarter disappear through my elbow, okay? So here it is. Oh, slipped. Ta-da!